Hi friends, in this problem we are given cos x minus y, cos x and cos x plus y. These are in harmonic progression. And then we have to find the value of cos x into secant y by 2. We have x minus y, x and x plus y. Right, we have to convert into in terms of x and y by 2. These three terms are in harmonic progression. What does that mean? This one is cos x is harmonic mean of cos x minus y and cos x plus y. Harmonic mean of two numbers is 2ab by a plus b. Right, we know this. Right, harmonic mean of a and b is 2ab by a plus b. Cos x is harmonic mean of x cos x minus y and cos x plus y. So let's write cos x is 2ab by a plus b. That is 2 cos x minus y into x plus y cos x plus y by cos x minus y plus cos x plus y 2ab by a plus b. Right. And we know our very familiar formula, right? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is 2 cos A cos B. Right. You can just expand and verify it yourself. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. If it, then everything will get cancelled. So sines will get cancelled. We will be left with 2 cos A cos B. Right. Now let us use this formula in numerator also, denominator also. Here in denominator, it is exactly same cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Here cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, it should be equal to 2 cos a cos b. That means this one should be equal to 2 cos x cos y. That is the denominator. Right. In the numerator, again numerator, you can see a we can take as x plus y, b we can take as x minus y. This is 2 cos x minus y cos x plus y, right? This is also in this format. 2 cos A cos B. A, let's take it as x plus y, and B, let's take it as x minus y. This is x plus y, 2 cos A and cos B. What will that become? Cos A plus B, cos x plus y plus x minus y, cos x plus y plus x minus y, right? Cos A plus B. And plus cos A minus B, that is cos x plus y minus x minus y, right? Minus of minus will become plus, right? Cos x plus y minus x plus y, right? This is a minus b, right? Here y's will cancel, so cos 2x, this becomes cos 2x plus here x's will cancel, so here this will become cos 2y. So cos x equals cos 2x plus cos 2y by 2 cos x cos y, right? Now, but still we want to get into y by 2's and x. Here there is 2x and 2y. Let us still break it further. We know cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1 and or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We know these basic formulas, right? So these are very simple formulas. We should all know. This one, how do we derive? Cos A plus B, if you put A and A both as theta, then we get cos 2 theta. Right? Cos A plus B formula we know, right? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, right? If you put like this, if you put both them equal, right, then we get this. Right. So cos 2x plus cos 2y, we can write it as 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos 2y, we can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square x. We can express this in everything in cos also. We'll look at that also later. Right. So this becomes this 1 and this minus 1. This one will cancel. So this becomes numerator becomes 2 into cos square x minus sin square y. Right. And if we take this denominator to the left side, this becomes 2 cos square x cos y. Right. This cos y and this cos x and this cos x will become cos square x. Cos y equals 2 times cos square x minus sin square y. Right. This 2 and this 2 we can cancel. So it becomes cos square x cos y equals cos square x minus sin square y. Right. Then if we take this sin square y to the left side and this expression to the right side, this becomes sin square y equals cos square x, if we take common, cos square x into 1 minus cos y. Right. So 1 minus cos 2 theta is again 2 sin square theta. Right. So 1 minus cos y, we can write it as 2 sin square y by 2. Similarly, sin 2 theta, we know 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin y, we can write it as 2 sin y by 2 cos y by 2. So this is square. So this becomes 2 square sin square y by 2 cos square y by 2. Right. This sin square y by 2 and this sin square y by 2 will cancel. And this 2 and there is 2 square. So we'll be left with 2 on the left hand side. So this becomes left hand side 2 cos square y by 2 equals cos square x. If you take this cos square y by 2 to the right side, it becomes secant square y by 2. That means 2 equals cos square x secant square y by 2. Right, what does that mean? Cos x secant y by 2 is equal to square root of plus or minus square root 2. Right, we take square root on both sides. Right, this is the question. Right, cos x and secant y by 2, what exactly is this? That is plus or minus root 2. Right, here we have taken cos 2x plus cos 2y. We express one of them in terms of cos, another in terms of sine. Some people don't like to use sine. Some people might be interested in expressing everything in terms of cos. Okay, so let's do that also. In this case, let us express cos 2x plus cos 2y both in terms of cos. Right, so then cos x becomes 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 2 cos square y minus 1. Right, by 2 cos x cos y. And then let us do the cross multiplication. This becomes 2 cos square x cos y. If you take it to the left side, cos square x cos y becomes 2 into cos square x plus cos square y minus, there is minus 2, right? So we can take that 2 common. So this becomes, this numerator becomes 2 into cos square x plus cos square y minus 1, right? We know cos square theta plus sin square theta equals 1. What does that mean? Cos square theta minus 1. Cos square y minus 1 is minus sine square y. Right? We can cancel this 2 and this 2. So cos square x cos y equals cos square x plus cos square y minus 1. Right? Cos square y minus 1, we can write it as minus sine square y. This means if we take this one to the right hand side and take cos square x common, that means 0 equals cos square x into 1 minus cos y. And this cos square y minus 1 is minus sine square y. What does that mean? 0 equals cos square x into 1 minus cos y minus sine square y. Right? And if you take this sine square y to the left side, this expression becomes sine square y equals cos square x into 1 minus cos y. 1 minus cos 2 theta, we can write it as 2 sine square theta by 2. Right. Now, sine square y or sine 2 theta, you can write it as 2 sine theta cos theta. That means 2 sine y by 2 cos y by 2 whole square is sine square y. That means 4 sine square y by 2 cos square y by 2 equals cos square into 2 sine square y by 2. Sine square y by 2 we can cancel, and this 2 we can cancel, and there will be 2 left. That means 2 cos square y by 2 is equal to cos square x. And if we bring this cos square y by 2 to the right side, it becomes secant square y by 2. So that means 2 equals cos square x secant square y by 2. That means cos x secant y by 2 is equal to plus or minus root 2. This is the same result that we have got. Whether we express cos 2 theta in terms of cos or in terms of sine, it will still give the same result. Right, guys? A simple problem. Only little trick is to know that the harmonic mean is the formula's harmonic mean is 2ab by a plus b, and be able to use this formula. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is 2 cos a cos b, and cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1, and sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Very simple manipulations of trigonometric identities. Right, guys? Thank you.